Hey guys, sorry for the awkward angle. I'm just trying to get my food in a shot. So these are Totino's stuffed nachos, and they are so yummy. I just had one. And I've got some Ray's secret dipping sauce and the rest of my Sprite that I couldn't finish yesterday. Freaking yum. I really don't need a fork. And thank you everybody for coming out and watching my videos. Thank you everybody for the congratulations. Let's keep this channel growing, guys. Nate Hudson, I will try my best. When all my family's here, I will get us together and do a family pizza mukbang. Absolutely. My eyes are definitely bigger than my stomach. I may not be able to finish this all, but that's okay. Oh. Okay, slept today, guys. But what's even better than that? Don't care.
I want to be in the movies as kids. Adam and
So good. Oh, guys, I'm getting full. I hate even having soda in my house because it's like terrible. So good. I think it's gonna be it. I'm really full. One more. I know what's worse, guys. I'm going to have to throw that out so I don't eat it. Because I'm a kind of eater and I know this. And I'll eat until I get friggin' sick. Like when I'm at a restaurant, I'll pour water on my food. So I don't eat it. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for subscribing. I love you all. Have a blessed night.